Good morning, my name is Jagdish and you are watching Antaryami News Channel. Today we are standing at Vidyabhavan Examination Hall. There are exam of class 10th, so most of students are studying. So let's see, we are here to see how they are preparing, and there are much variety of face expression. That some are tensioned and some are worried about her. Some are smiling faces. So these people are not studying and some people are studying. So let's talk about some people, some students, how they are preparing for their exam. So there are person. Hello, what's your name?
My name is Suresh.
Suresh. Which subject exam you have today?
I think social science.
Social studies. Social studies. So that's why he is making cheats. Not only me, but also my camera person also seen you that you are making cheats. I will disclose your secret. Please stand up. What is that? I can. What's that? How long is it? So why are you making these cheats? Why don't you study seriously?
This is my business to earn money.
How? How you can earn money from this type of this nonsense business? You want to say that a student gives you money?
Yes.
Oh my God. You keep doing. You keep doing.
I will do.
Don't cast pearls before swine. Now, let's see about people who are in tension, who are worried about the exam. So you, not he. Oh, there are a person. Let's meet him. Okay. Sorry. Hey, what's your name?
Mahatma Gandhi.
What? What's your name?
Nitin.
Nitin. Why are you cramming for test? Hello. Why are you
Don't
cramming for
disturb me, man. What the hell?
Actually, I am asking about your exam and you are cramming. I want to say that please study seriously and take it.
Okay. I will study seriously.
Okay.
Mahatma Gandhi.
Again, he start cramming. So that's true that leopard can't change its spots. Hello. Hello. What's your name?
My name is Bhagwati Lal.
Okay, Bhagwati. Why are you praying to God?
I am praying to God for my better exam result.
Okay. So which exam you are praying?
Maths.
But some students ask me that today social studies exam and you are preparing for maths. What happens with you? Hello. I think he's gone mad. So let bygones be bygones. So you guys seen that in examination hall when exams are about to start, most of students are worried and some people are studying seriously. So when you exams is going to start, please don't meet these types of people and these types of students, because please study seriously for your better examination and for your better result. Otherwise you will do like Suresh. So thank you, that's all. Stay tuned with us and subscribe our YouTube channel for more updates. Please like and press the bell icon. Reporter Jagdish with cameraman Mukesh.